These are GPTs here that I've created. You can make your own GPT. So a lot of times what I'll do, and that's one of the last slides I have here, is that I will, if I like this prompt, I will create a GPT of it so I can reuse it over and over again. So then I just drop the address and I'll have to copy in the prompt. It has it. Or I create a project folder and do it that way. Also with Claude, you can create a skill. You can say recall skill so you don't have to do the prompt. It just remembers it and goes from there. So this is a generative pre-trained model, I think is what it's called. It's a weird name. So these are GPTs that are created by other people, and you can make your own GPTs. Chances are all the major sites are there, and these are like the Apple Store. These are all free. They don't charge you for anything. This is only ChatGPT. Claude doesn't have GPTs, but they have partners. And you can install these GPTs. These are ones I created. I've done quite a few social bots. These are public ones I've created. But then there's like thousands of bots. So the thing is before you create something, chances are someone who already did it. And you can go for, that's why they probably tell you go get a GPT. It's probably done already. I like to kind of know what's in the engine. So I create the prompts and I make my own GPTs or project folders and go from there.
So would you recommend?
You could. It's not going to impact you in any way. It's not negative, and it's going to be probably a better experience than you just prompting, because it's done by somebody who understands how to create them usually, and your output will be probably way better. And it also ranks them, so you can see what's ranked. So if you're looking for investing or finding groups or finding whatever, chances are it's already been vetted by a bunch of other people by its usage. Once you link to it, you can also share the link with somebody else. So if I say, for instance, I pull up Expedia, first time I've ever done it, and it shows not really high rankings, 300,000 conversations, hit start chat, and now it has these things where it says, okay, show me business-friendly hotels in Seattle. And I can just click it, and then now I can engage with it. Now it's using ChatGPT. You could have created the exact same thing. It has prompts or system prompts in it, and maybe connecting to a database through Expedia more likely. And now I can engage with it like an app, and I can then save this app and I can pin it in my GPTs and I can reference it later. What I do is it has like a link, and I will bookmark it in my bookmark in my browser, and I'll click on it and use it that way too. So this is my browser, and this is my Tony GPT. I created a bot that writes like me and makes grammatical errors, by the way, so no one can check it's AI. And I just drop it in there and it has my writing styles, and this is how I do my emails and everything else.